Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you your work for today. So today is April 26th. So here are the activities that you have for today. For Survivor this week, we are going to be learning about oceans, which is so exciting, and we'll talk about that in just a second. So you can look here at your video and games for the week of April 26th through April 30th. Remember, you can do these anytime this week. This video is about vocabulary, so some important words about the ocean habitat and ocean animals that we're going to be learning about. Here's some phonemic awareness, so some listening games that you can do. Here is some stuff about multisyllabic word and suffixes. So we are going to be talking a little bit about suffixes, a little bit about multisyllabic words. Here is the math lesson that goes with this. And here are 2 number talks. Here's some videos from other places, so not Miss Barton, other people did these videos. We've got suffixes, multisyllabic words, and some math videos. So make sure that you take some time and look at those, especially if you're struggling with something. That will really help you out there. You've also got a Nearpod that you get to explore all about the oceans. And again, you can do this anytime this week. You click on the little link here and it will take you right into Nearpod, no problems. You should not even have to type in a code. The only thing you should have to do is put in your name. Let me show you. Okay, so for your name, so I might put Miss Barton because that is my name. And then I just hit join lesson. First, I need to draw what I think the ocean looks like. Well, it's blue and it's got waves. So maybe I would draw something like this. Maybe I would put a little fish in there. Who knows? Be creative. Do whatever makes you happy for that slide. Then you're going to have some more slides. I think this slide is so in this slide, you're going to get to explore the ocean in the virtual field trip, just like we did for the savannah. You can move your iPad around to look around, or you can just use your fingertip to look around. So you're going to be able to see some coral reefs in here. And these are real pictures that real people took underwater. Look at all the cool fish. And there's several like this. I think there's 2 or 3 like this. Here's another one. Oh, a shark. Oh my goodness. Look out, guys. Luckily, it's just a picture. It's not real. Oh, look, a scuba diver and another shark and another shark and another 3 more sharks. Good grief. We need to be careful in the ocean. And then here's a school of fish that you get to look around and see. There's another scuba diver. Hey. Then there's this memory game. So what you do is you click on them and you're trying to match up the pictures. So, fish and fish. I matched those. I'm very good. That's a fish. I don't know where it. Oh, look, I matched that one. Oh, no, those don't match. So you'll do that little game. The next page is going to take us to a website, and then we can read about the ocean habitat. So there's some little slides you can click through, some different information here. You might need a grown-up to read that to you. Just some of it has some big words, so you might need a grown-up to read it to you, just so you know. And then you have your time to climb game right here, which I know a lot of you had fun with last time. And these time to climb questions are coming from the reading that was on the last slide, so make sure that you do the reading. And then after that, you're finished with the Nearpod. Remember, you can do the Nearpod anytime this week. So far we've talked about the videos and games and the Nearpod. Here is a PE assignment. You don't have to do PE, but it's there for you if you want to. Here are some prefixes. So you can watch the video and then you'll do this little page. Let me show you. So for instance, on this one, it's giving you some words here, and you have to add the prefix un or the prefix re. So for the word pack, they wrote unpack. For pack, they also put repack. So let me do zip with you. So for zip, that's our base word, and we're going to add a prefix. It wants us to add un, so I'll put unzip. So that's what goes right here, unzip. For the prefix re, I would put re, and then the base word zip, re-zip. And then it goes right here. Okay? So check that out. Make sure you watch the video. It's a fun one. I like that that YouTube channel. And then back to our other assignments today. We have our Survivor flipbook, which I'll go over with you in just a second. We also have graphing oceans. So you guys know how this works because we've done these before. You count the different kinds of animals, different kinds of ocean animals here. And then you know that you're going to show me them with tally marks. You're going to show me it on a bar graph. So 1 square equals 1. So if there was 5 dolphins, you'd color in 5 squares. You'll show me it with a 10 frame. So again, if there's 5 dolphins, you'd put 5 dots. And then you'll finally tell me which one has the most and which one has the least. Okay, so make sure that you check out that graphing. And then let's talk about our Survivor flip book. So here are the books you can read about dolphins. Yes, these both have AR tests. So make sure that you're doing your 2 AR tests. Do you have to do it on the 2 dolphin books? No. Would it be easy to do it on the 2 dolphin books? I would say yes, probably yes. So check those out. There's also a video here all about dolphins, which is pretty fun. So check that out too. Here's some more information about ocean animals. If you're interested in that, you can go to that collection and look at all the different ocean animal books. And now let's look at what our flip book is and what Miss Barton is expecting from the flip book. So first of all, you're going to put the animal's name, weight, length, family. Do you have to answer all those questions? No, you don't. Just tell me a little bit about it. So for instance, I might put the animal we are learning about today is a dolphin. And then I can also put it'd be good if I spelled dolphin right, wouldn't it? Dolphins live in big herds and communicate with clicks. Okay, so that's enough for the first one. Then it's going to say, where does this animal live? Well, dolphins live in the ocean, and they live in some different spots in the ocean. There's some dolphins that live in the Pacific Ocean. Where's my little highlighter? Some dolphins that live in the Pacific Ocean over here or over here. Some dolphins live down here. There's dolphins in the Indian Ocean. There's dolphins all through the Atlantic Ocean. Oops, I got some in South America. They don't live in South America. Well, actually, some dolphins do live in the rivers of South America, but that's a different kind of dolphin. So that's where you do for that one. On this page, it's asking you about how does habitat play an important role in the survival of the animal. So you might want to say something like dolphins live in the oceans and have to eat fish to survive. You could also talk about how they swim over long distances. You could talk about how they actually breathe air and they have to come up for air from the oceans. So you can write about a lot of things there. Here's another one. What food does the ocean animal eat? And draw a picture. So you'll write about the food that they eat and draw me a little picture. Next up, how when does the ocean animal have eggs or babies? Does it give birth on land or fresh water? So you can write all about that. Dolphins live in the ocean. They do not come onto the land to lay eggs or have babies. They have them in the ocean. So that is a little information for you there. Dolphins are mammals also, which means they don't lay eggs and their babies are born alive and ready to roll. So you might want to write a little bit about that. Next up, how does the ocean animal survive in its environment? What body parts help it survive? What does it do to survive? Who are its predators? So you might want to write about on this page how dolphins live together in big groups, how they use their clicks and their little squeaks to communicate. You can talk about echolocation a little bit, the way that they find their way around in the ocean. You're going to want to talk about sharks and predators to the dolphins. You might even need to talk about how people can affect the oceans, and that affects dolphins. You know, like when people throw their trash in the ocean, and that would affect the dolphin. So those are some things to think about for this page. And then our last page, an interesting fact about the ocean animals. So just something that you found interesting about dolphins. You can write about the different types of dolphins. You can write about things that dolphins do. You can write about anything that you want to, an interesting fact about dolphins. So that's what you do for this flip book. So today, Monday, April 26th, there are a few things that you need to do. You have to do your flip book. You have your prefixes activity, and you have your math activity. You also have your PE, which is optional, and the videos and games, which are just there to help you. So make sure that you finish all of those things. Also, make sure that you do your AR tests. Remember, I'm asking you to do 2 AR tests every day. Do you have to do them on dolphins? No. You can do whatever 2 books you want. But it would be pretty easy to do it on dolphins because we already had to read those books for another assignment. So it's kind of like 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay. Also, just so you know, the phonics scripts for today, we're not going to do those. We will be doing those on Friday. So phonics group A and B, I was supposed to meet with you today, but I won't be able to. I'm going to meet with you guys instead on Friday. All right, so phonics group, I will meet with you on Friday. Miss Barton will not be doing live lessons today, which is why I made our instructional video, but I will be able to answer emails. Just make sure that you do your best work and make sure that you take those AR tests, guys. Please make sure that you're taking those AR tests. All right, let me know if you have any questions by emailing me, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.